So what do you think about those tattoo on the video?
Ugly.
You still gonna have tattoo?
No.
Good. Ayun. Pinakita ko sa anak ko yung ano yung tattoo yung maganda sa babae. Ayun. Yung ano niya sagot. Pangit daw. Isn't it? Pangit, Kristen?
Yeah.
The tattoo is pangit in woman, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tell them.
Tattoo is ugly on woman. Never get a tattoo on your body. Even men, like my dad. See, my dad?